What's up, guys? This is the bike check. We got a We the People cream frame, 20.75. We got Colt leader bars, Sunday top load stem animal headset, Black Label Slim Fast forks. We got a Primo N4 laced to a Sun Big City rim and a Fit FAF tire 2.25. We got some raw cranks. I don't know what they are, but they're really good. Black Label sprocket, KMC chain. We got a Primo mix laced to Primo 7 series rim. We got a same tire in the back, Fit FAF. We got Odyssey twisted PC pedals, 30. ODI grips. We got a S&M director seat, and an animal seat post. And that's about it. Here's a hub sound. Alright, that's my bike check. Thank you.